Hello, Randy and Victor. This is Charlie. I'm doing a quick video. You'll hear raindrops in the background, but I want to give you a quick overview of your ClearVantage Online for DC Bar. You'll see here, I'm using my browser, and I have my default ClearVantage dashboard, and we've added some great new reports, such as your top 100 individual donors, and this is all based on the last 5 years. We've added the opportunity management system so you can track the sale of your booths and sponsorships and manage those processes. We've added some snapshots such as your member acquisitions by year, donation trends, but really the reports here aren't the most important aspects. Rather, it's that ClearVantage can provide you any information that you need at your fingertips. As we discussed, business intelligence is a major part of ClearVantage. Not only do I have my standard dashboard here, but when you log in using your login, you will see a membership dashboard where it's been configured to show you such things as your active member count by category, your member acquisitions by year, your top 10 most valuable customers, your most engaged members, your new members in the last 60 days, and some other things such as your age range of members and a breakdown by gender, basically just showing you some examples of actual reports with using your data in DC Bar. And what's nice about our system is that everything's drilled through, just like ClearVantage, so that if I want to open an individual's record right from the dashboard, I can simply click on their member ID, and that will open up their profile, and I can see things such as when they joined, a breakdown of their profile. This is fully configurable, so you can have any information you want right here at your fingertips. I can see that Brigitta is very high on a membership engagement score, as well as her donor rating. And if I take a look here, it looks like she's on quite a few committees and has attended quite a few events, and that helps drive her membership engagement. Now, we just use one example score that ties in committee, event, and product purchases to build an engagement score, but that can be based on any factors that you provide to us. We can create the engagement scores. And if I also look over here, we can see, oh, she's given us quite a few donations over the years, and that is why she has a high engagement, a donor score as well. Looking over here, I can look at my donor analysis to see my top 100 individual donors. It looks like Jamie Gorlick and James Sandman are our top individual donors, while over here on the organizational side, Sutherland and Wilmer Hale and Steptoe and Johnson and a lot of the firms I've actually heard of are your largest donors that are organizations. I can see my trends over time, my donation trends. Other neat features of ClearVantage Online and ClearVantage Office. Here's a crosstab that basically breaks down donations by state and also by gender here. And any of these gadgets inside the dashboard can easily be popped open into a larger window, and then you can do some analysis and say, for example, I really just want to see this not by state but just by gender, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the gender as one of, actually I want to do the opposite. I'm going to go ahead and make, and so I can see a breakdown. Now again, you'd look at different criteria, but it's a matter of the tools being in ClearVantage and just getting the reports that you want to complete your analyses. In addition to having all of the business intelligence that you need anywhere you want it, again, this runs on iPads and basically every device, you also can do whatever you need to with ClearVantage Online. You can look people up. You want to look up people, you type in someone's last name. I added myself to this test drive version of your database, and I can get a little summary of that person by hovering over that person's name. I can select to register or purchase or meet with this individual, send out a blast email to this list. I can open their profile and see everything I know about this individual. I can see Charlie's information. I can see that he's a non-practicing attorney. I can see his membership engagement score, demographic information, his committee history information, events, relationships that he has, products that he's purchased. Everything basically we need to know, just like in CV, is right here available in CV Online. It's very easy to register somebody for an event or purchase a product or enter their dues. I'll very quickly show you registering an event. I click register, and this will bring up all the upcoming events. I can filter this down if I'd like to. Everything in CV has the opportunity to have a different business card style view, whether you're looking at individuals or organizations or events or products. I can scroll this list and see to find things that I may be interested in or that the member is asking me. Again, I'm a staff person doing something for a member now. And in this case, let's take a look at this here. I'm going to hover over here, and this tells me that I get 2 credit hours, or I tell the member you get 2 credit hours for this in-person immigration law basic. And this member who we're working with decides that they would like to attend this event. You simply select the event, select create registration, you set up their badge, dietary needs, anything else they need here. It'll tell you what price this member is eligible for, and then I can add this to the cart, and it says, would you like to check out now? And I will say no. I can go ahead and register other individuals from this person's organization. I can register this person for other events, basically go through, sell them products, do whatever they need, and then when I'm ready, I can go to the cart and view the cart and go ahead and check out. Very easy to do. I select which address, how I'm going to pay, and enter that information in, and I process my order. And what's nice about CV Online, and also this is available in ClearVantage Office as well, it's gone ahead and sent this individual, now we've disabled the emails, but a nice looking email saying that yes, you have been registered. It has a link in that registration to go in, and then at that point the person can view that registration online. If there's functions, they can update their function, they can update their badge information. But again, all in one seamless package that works on any device. All right, so that's a quick overview of CV Online. Basically, everything from dashboards to looking at people, organizations, committees. Easy to look up a committee. As a staff person, go in there, say email everyone on this committee, send them a nice formatted HTML email, track that through our system. Easy to see the events and all the products and subscriptions and memberships that are available. Processing, membership renewals. No need to rebuild your entire renewal structure. It's already here. It flows right through from ClearVantage to ClearVantage Online. And so when I run membership renewals, it will run and apply all the logic, just like ClearVantage does. Email marketing, beautiful email integration, looking up invoices, all sorts of reports. Any report that you have in ClearVantage, you simply click on it and say, I want to have this in ClearVantage Online, and then that will make that report available. So for example, here is a breakdown of DC Bar's membership by state. By the way, this database is a copy of your database. It's about a week, maybe a week and a half old. So it's very recent, all this information. So you have a total of 101,634 members, and the largest number of those are in DC. Outside of the DC area, looks like Florida and Texas is where the majority of your members come from. Integrated email, basically the ability to manage your system through the administration. Everything's right here available in CV, and it's ready to use whenever DC Bar's ready to move forward. Thanks, guys.